G'day, this is Peter from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines again. Today we're going to look at this little button down here with the N in the middle. It's a box with an N. This is a programmable box shape, or whatever shape you really want to do, however many sides you want to make it. So we'll long push this and get into the program section. Now this is going to be a four-sided object, and we're going to do the first side is 12 stitches. So this is a stitch count system here. If you know your stitch length, which is what you're in before you get into this programming, okay, so it'll be 12 stitches long on the first side. On the second side it'll be 12. The third side will be 12, fourth side will be 12, and that's as high as you can go because you've chosen 4 sides. You can do more sides if you want to, and we'll hit that in. Okay, and we might combine this, just for the ease of use, with this little button down here. What this is going to do is when we get to the end of the first side, which is 12 stitches, it's going to be needle down and the presser foot's going to lift so that we can turn the piece around to wherever we want to go in the next direction. Then as soon as we put a foot on the pedal, it's going to lower the foot and start sewing the next row of 12 and so forth until we get to the end of the fourth, which then it will do this tack, the CD, the end tack, then it will cut the thread. Okay, let's do this and show you what it does. Okay, so we will do the first length, it will do the first tack, then it'll do that many. I'll take my foot off. Oh, I didn't push that button, did I? Okay, so we'll turn this one on. Okay, and that's the picture that will come up on the screen saying that it's going to pivot and the pivot mode, and the foot will lift. It'll do it on the next ones, but I'm just going to half press down on the foot pedal until it lifts. Then I'll move the material, come around, foot down to do the next slot, and then the foot lifts automatically. We'll come around, I'll put my foot down, it'll do the next slot of 10, then I'll turn it, then do the next row. And that's done. I couldn't control where that was going at the end there, so it's a little bit off, but that's a square. I mean, you could do longer sides and shorter bases if you wanted to. You can do whatever you want there with regards to programming, as long as you know your stitch length. Thank you.